Hello, welcome. In this video, we will see the usage of partitioning by method that is present in a collectors class. So for that, I have created a car object and created 10 cars objects, and I have added them into the list. Okay, the main purpose of partitioning by method is like if you wanted to segregate the elements into two different categories. You can use this method. Say suppose it will return a boolean values actually as a keys. So it will return a map whose keys are true and false. So this partition method takes predicate as an argument. So the predicate that matches with that condition, which will return under the true, and the remaining all will return under false. Okay, let's see how we can do how we can use this partitioning by method using these car objects. Say suppose example, I wanted to get the cars whose price is greater than 45,000 in one part and remaining all in another part. So for that, first let's convert the list into streams and then collectors that partitioning by. Okay, so here it takes predicate as an argument. So we get a car object and then whose car data get price is greater than 45,000. Okay, so if you assign this to some variable, you will see the key type here is a boolean. So at marks we can get two objects in this map. Okay, one is true and one is false. So if you print this collection and if you run the program, so you will see, so the car price which is greater than 45,000, okay, 60 and 55, those came under true, and remaining all came under false. So the true and false, so it is divided into two parts, true and false. Okay, if you see, and it is written as a list of objects. Okay, in a similar way, if you want to get like all the cars which are made in the year 2023 in one group and remaining all are in another group. So let's see how we can do that. Cars data streams collect and then collectors dot partition by, okay, whose car and car dot get year is equal to 2023. Okay, and if you do this and sys out, then collect one, see here in this we got three cars whose made year is 2023. So 2023 which comes under true because which matches our predicate condition, and the remaining all are under false. So yeah, in this way you can use partitioning by method. Okay, mainly used for divide them into two groups. Thank you.